Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch till the end. I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And this card is your Oracle guidance. So, that will be a general guidance, guys. That may answer any questions or doubts you have in your mind, guys, Pisces. So let's start with the cards for your general energies first, guys. So we have 8 of Swords in reverse, 2 of Pentacles, and 9 of Pentacles. So Pisces, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation, or it may be in your personal life. So there are certain things happening today, guys, certain important things happening, and you may have your intuition guiding you or telling you what needs to be done today. Maybe people have done something really bad and you are worried about that. Maybe they do not respect you in your work situation, maybe, or it may be a situation in your personal life. So some people, they have hurt you and you feel really bad, you don't know what to do, but these people are really close to you, guys, and you are worried for that. You don't know how to make them understand that whatever they did is something very wrong. And maybe in your situation today, guys, this person you are in love with, or this person we were speaking about, it may be a friend or a colleague, someone close to you, maybe they are they are opposing you in certain ways, and they think that you have wronged them, just like you thinking that they have wronged you in some ways. This person is thinking of you in such a way, and they want to move away from you for some reason. And maybe for some of you, this person is leaving you. Maybe they are arguing with you, fighting with you, and they are leaving you, guys, for some reason. This may be the person you love, or this may be someone from your work situation, guys. So though you are trying your best, trying to bring an understanding, this person is not having that understanding today, guys. And maybe for some of you, there are some important communication reaching you. It may be something in your work, so regarding some projects or assignments or whatever it may be, or it may be something this person is sending you. So maybe they are writing a letter sending you, or they are writing some messages, or it may be emails. So something is reaching you today, guys. It may be something positive for most of you today. It may be a change in the way things are. Maybe this person is taking a break away from you, and today they are sending you a message, maybe telling you that they miss you and they love you a lot and they want to be back with you. So it may be a positive change that is happening today, Pisces, and you are feeling happy and content because of this change you are seeing in your situation. So some kind of they have changed their mind, or something has changed their mind, and they are happy, they are coming back to you, guys, and they are simply in love with you, and they want to reconcile with you today, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, Pisces, with these cards. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have Four of Cups in reverse. So again, it just means that there is a change, guys. So this person is surely coming back to you. So if you are in separation, Pisces, with this card I can tell you that this person really misses you and they are definitely coming back to you, guys, Pisces. Or if you are ready for a new relationship, there is someone interesting coming towards you, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Moon in reverse. So with this card in your work situation, you have huge dreams, aspirations and goals for yourself. And maybe today it is time you make the efforts to reach those dreams. So simply dreaming is not enough. You need to move towards those dreams positively with the efforts you are making, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. So we have Goldilocks, entitlement. So with this card, guys, maybe Pisces, in your situation, there are certain things that are there. Maybe you may not understand it. It may be a person or it may be a circumstance, but you need to respect it, guys. Respect it, and if you do not like it, still you can avoid it, but you should not treat it lightly. You must, if it is a person or if it is a circumstance, whatever it is, some things are some things that we do not understand in life, guys, something really powerful, something really strong, we must respect it, and for the wisdom that it holds. It may be a person or it may be the circumstance you are in. If you want to grow out of it, you must try to see that situation just as it is, and not being disrespectful or not being judgmental. So in your situation, if you want perfection, if you want learning, first you must see where you are standing, what you are doing today. So even in this relationship, even with this person you love, you may not understand them right away. So their views and ideas may be something very different. So in order to gain this person's respect, you must respect them, try to understand them and be humble. Try not to enforce your views and ideas, or you should not be arrogant, and you should learn from the mistakes just like you expect this other person to learn from their mistakes. So even you should do that, guys. Only then you will be able to build a strong, meaningful relationship with this person, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Pisces, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.